text messages. We receive also mga, what do you call this? Mga friends also who texted us about este mga suseso di aton aki na lugar, no? Make sure also that we are also to be aware, and 50-50 lang kita krekunese, because there are some also text messages that are used by this lawless element just to make panic natin mga gente. So, see to it that we have to listen kayo directly to the radio station. And for us here, na DepEd, we are to listen kunel di aton Schools Division Superintendent, si channel yung mga information tadali ka natin. And the focal person also for both elementary and high school is texting to the in charge of the district. And the in charge of the district will have to forward all the messages to our principal. So kami, deputize information officers for all of us here na di aton district. So if you have some queries, text directly to your principal, or you can also any, like for your grade level chairman, you do have, and the grade level chairman have to text it to your principal. It's the principal who will inform you directly of what is the information that we gathered from the head of office, which is the division office, no? So that we will also not to confuse anyone, especially si durante chenyagad kita klase at a normal level ya kita. So teachers also will not also to talk in front of our pupils el cosa sucede. For example, taling mga bata, the teachers are talking, hoy makamyedo ya daw kay all the message, and sina do not do that, because your pupils will be alarming also, man panic sila, and then here comes man kore-kore, el maestra pa unay kore kontra ponel mga bata. So which is not supposed to be the case. Diba? Kita, as a teachers, we're always to be presence of mind kita, para at least kita al manggay po na aton mga bata. Okay. Now, among the 4 schools of Tetuan District, unfortunately, the aton mga colleagues from the Don Gregorio or the DGEMS elementary school are highly affected. Gayon sila. So we feel for what you had experienced, and we are all here to help one another. Like there are some teachers also who came to Tetuan Central School, and we offer something for them. Yan, register kami nila nombre, and we offer something for them so that they will have also a share what the government is giving for the evacuees at Tetuan Central School. Second, siguro affected is Tetuan Central School, because as of yesterday, we are serving 471 families, and individuals we are serving 2,543 people who are to be fed morning, lunch, and dinner. So this is an opportunity also as in charge of the district to say thank you for all of the teachers who rendered services during the kore-kore, and they are there for their own voluntarism, and also some of the schools which our schools division superintendent also called for to help for Tetuan Central School as evacuation center, the Giwan Elementary School and Tubungan Elementary School. And some teachers also of Tetuan Central School who really came and extended their help. And sinuway man sila pwede andala, but they brought something for the evacuees, and that is really abla kita heartwarming or alegre di atun tamira kita tang ayudahan kita within our Department of Education. Especially kita na Tetuan District, 4 eskwela lang kita. We have to unite ourselves and help one another. So to the principal, thank you so much for that. Ya dale ustedes extende ustedes ayuda. Now, these are the excerptamen when we had a meeting last September 20 with no less than the Secretary of Education, Armin Luistro, and the ASEC Secretary also, Ray Laguda. Now, they are really concerned for all of the for all of us teachers, especially our status here in Zamboanga City. Conserva ka di atong status as aki, where are the teachers? Por eso there was a call for an ASAP of this report on the kita, and also for our learners, siguro tomorrow or this afternoon, those teachers who will not be in the debriefing orientation, some of you will gather data also as far as our learners is concerned. Only si ara di atong mga bata. Only sa ara itong mga bata, yan missing niya baso, yan misplaced baso, or intact sos, they are still in their own family. No? Wherein yesterday, ito the other day around Gale, it was a Tubungan Elementary School whom I assigned to have that report as far as the EMA quiz is concerned, ala ka na muna Tetuan, and they were able to get data from Tubungan. Data lang kali, number of EBA quiz, number of household. But yesterday, the Tetuan Central School get all the data as far as learners is concerned, ala na EBA quiz. Na evacuation site kali ng mga EBA quiz. And there are like Tetuan, Chenya kami sa Kanya, Tubungan, we do have, Santa Catalina, Santa Barbara, Kasanyangan, Talon-Talon, and Arena Blanco, about 10 barangays were able to get data as far as students is concerned. Students who are enrolled in their